Hey guys, what's up? We're here. We're heading to Ikea to do some Christmas shopping. We are stuck at the traffic jam. Well, actually, it's normal when you are driving in Madrid. In this video, I'm gonna show you some Christmas items that are worth buying at Ikea. So let's get started. Actually, we can get started once we're free, but see, in this traffic, we could stay stuck here for hours. In my opinion, I think that we will get to Ikea in 4 hours. So come and join us to our trip to Ikea. Claudia and Bianca, they are almost asleep, so that it's cool because we will be here for a while. What about you guys? Are you getting bored? So come and join us. Stuck with us a little bit in traffic, and we'll get to hit to Ikea soon, hopefully. Hey, we're almost in IKEA. I'm going to buy a few items that I think that you must buy in Christmas there. You still sleepy? Claudia, do you want to sleep? You were sleeping all the time in the car, Claudia. Bianca. Hey, Claudia, push the button. Yeah, you have to wait.
Say open, open, open.
Hey. Take Bianca's hand. Very good. Finally, we are here. We have arrived. Oh, finally. Really. You can find, as you can see, a lot of Christmas decoration, Christmas items, cookies, chocolate candy, a lot of things. I guess it's completely normal, right?
Candy?
In this time of year, I mean. And here we are to our first worth Christmas item, the gingerbread house, and also the panettone, but the gingerbread house is more important.
Example, the gingerbread house. Actually, I'm going to make my gingerbread house at home, so I don't need it, but it's worth it to buy it at Ikea. It's really cheap. Look, and it's beautiful on the right? Like that. And all of the things that actually I'm going to buy, and I think that it's worth it to buy it. Ikea is the baking glue, and I'm going to buy it because I'm going to make at home the gingerbread house, so I need the baking glue and also the decor kit with the candies. I'm going to buy it, and I think that this actually has 3 items that I think that it's really important to buy it at Ikea because it's beautiful and it's nice and it's really cheap. And if you are not a person that you don't have time to make gingerbread house at home, so you can buy it here. It's cheap and it's quite good because I think that one year I have already tasted it and it was delicious. So I think that it's worth it to buy it here. And as I said, today I'm going to take the candies and the decor for the gingerbread house to make it with the girls and the baking glue. Right, Claudia? Other item is the Christmas balls. It's cheap. It's like 13 euros for 24. And here in Ikea in Spain you have like 20% off, so it's good. If you are looking for Christmas decoration and it's cheap, it's a good place to start with.
If you are a candle person, so this is your place. I advise you to buy candles at Ikea. For example, now that it's Christmas, you have a lot of kind of candles and colors. It's really worth it, and it's really cheap. I love it.
Yeah. What are you doing with the panda? Panda? Oh, you want the panda? Do we have...
Oh, yeah.
Ah, take it. So here we are at the cafeteria in Ikea, and just Bianca and I, right Bianca? You're comfy? Look, say something. Because Alberto and Claudia went to buy, actually to order something. I really am not hungry, I just want a coffee, but I don't know if he wants something, maybe a donut or something. As you all know, in Ikea you can have you have a lot of things to buy, pizza and a lot of things. And Bianca, she's here with me. Say hi. Wow, Bianca. Bianca, are you tired? You wanna sleep? Huh? You want to sleep? Oh my god, where are you going? You're not comfy?
It looks like Claudia is enjoying her orange juice, right, Claudia?
Well, Bianca, you like your papaya?
Claudia.
And here we are, we have finished our shopping. It's actually 9 p.m. so we're really tired, and especially the girls, they are trying. Now they are driving me crazy because they are really tired, right Bianca? Hey, say how tired you are. You are tired, right? You are really tired? You want to sleep? Right? You want to sleep? We are here and we have finished. We're going to have... Yes. What is it? Claudia and Bianca, they are getting a little bit tired. And they are getting actually crazy because, yeah, it's their bedtime. Normally they sleep 8:30 p.m. or 9 p.m. actually, because it's their bedtime. So now that we are here, they are really sleepy and tired, and they have walked like all around the Ikea for the whole freaking day. So they are really tired, and they are getting really hasty. So now we will be heading home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yes, sweetie? I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and maybe you could buy some Christmas items in Ikea too, the ones that you find actually useful for you. So I hope you guys having a wonderful day, and I'm really tired. I don't know even what I'm saying. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next